Yo, what's up? Say hi, babe. Say hi, bro. Yo, so ngayon lalabas kami. Mag-i-smoke lang at kakain at we're gonna go for a walk, right? Yeah, maglalakad kami. So, yeah. Mag-roll muna siya ng joint para baon namin maglakad. Yeah. So, ayun, tapos na yung roll. Ito na, at nga na blurred. So blurred, bruh. But anyway, yatapon muna ako ng basura. Gee. The brakes. She did the brakes, by the way. You know? Thank you, babe. Yeah. Pupunta na kami sa kotse. Ayun yung luma nating Civic. Ito yung Lexus. Medyo mas bago na to. Yeah. Ew. Let's go, bro.
Yeah. Maybe there's a hidden one here.
Oh no. Go. Getting ice cream, right? Or yogurt?
Yogurt ice cream.
Yogurt ice cream, whatever that is. Yeah, kukunin muna namin yon bago kami maglalakad. Yeah. Pupunta kaming Mac Island ngayon. That one. And we're gonna buy ice cream, cause yeah. Tangin na, ganda ng view, ah. Ganda ng buhok to. Ayun. We're gonna get the ice cream. Strawberry, babe. I thought you want the frozen yogurt. That one. Real. Ito yung mga ice cream mo.
Should I put vanilla in it?
Yeah, a little bit. That's good, right? Yun, so nakabili na kami. Ito na yun, no? Masarap daw to eh, sabi niya. She choose that one for me, bruh. I don't know if this shit good, you know?
It is.
Oh, damn. Does it have like the same balls in there? It's not bad if you, like, drink the balls with this, you know? Ito hindi masarap eh. That tastes goofy, bruh. So yun, we're gonna go to the park now or to the trail or whatever, bruh. Yeah. Yeah. Say yeah, bruh. We gotta say yeah every time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ice cream Come and slipping, bro. Yeah, we're on the way to the trail, you know? Pumunta namin the trail. And I'm kinda hungry, babe. We should grab like a Chinese food or some shit. Oh, what if we buy Chinese food first? Then we can eat it in the park, you know? At the park. Bibili muna kami yung Chinese food. Yeah, that was a cute dog, you see? Yo, never mind. Sarado para yung Chinese place kaya eat shit. Maglalakad na kami dun, no? Yeah. Yun, tinatapon niya yung binili namin, no? Tangina, pangit ang lasa eh. Sabi ko sa kanya eh. Ewan ko ba't gustong gusto niya yun. Yeah. Damn, tignan niyo yung view dito, guys. Ganda, sarap mag-smoke, no? Ha?
They're Saskatoons.
Saskatoons. Ito pala is Saskatoon berries. Prutas din to eh. I don't know, bro. I don't trust this shit.
They are. They smell like Saskatoon.
I don't know. Yeah, ito na kami sa trail. Ako, siguro eh, babe. Parang maganda dito ah. Diyan natin tayo mag-i-smoke na ito. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know?
This
Maybe
is
there's
a,
a better view.
no, this is a nice place. But look, there's flowers. Yeah, this is a nice trail.
Nature, bro.
It's actually so pretty here. What the heck?
Wanna smoke, bro?
Yep.
Might be a bear or some shit.
Crack.
Parang nakatakot pumunta doon, no? Kasi parang may bear or some shit. You know? You can like stay over there by the log, right?
Look how pretty it is.
Yeah.
though. Flowers.
More berries.
Some more berries.
Babe, eat one right now if they're really like Saskatoon.
Okay. What if they're not?
Hmm?
What if they're not?
I don't know, then you die. I don't know, just kidding. What's the thing? No? Bro, spit it out. Goofy ass to. Sabi niya yun daw yun. Baka ma-GG ka pa dyan ah. Yeah. Wala nang filter. Yeah. Ganda ng view.
Babe, we should walk and smoke.
Ito, eh. Maglalakad kami. Oh, damn. Tika ako dun ah. Pasensya na ako ang galaw ng video ah. Hindi na ako sanay mag-vlog ko eh. Long time na eh. Diba? Pero we back. Yeah. Ganda ng braid ko. Yeah. Gawa na kaya above. Blue Dream. Daming bahay doon, oh. Nakakatakot maglakad sa ganito eh. Baka may bear ba? Yawa. Pero maganda. Lalo pag nag-i-smoke. Yeah. Tulos ko na mag-vlog ah. You know? I think it's been a year or 8 months or I think a year. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog, you know. I was too busy, man. Right, babe? Pero yeah, Nag-work lang ako palagi, tsaka above, yun lang. Wala akong, hindi na ako gumagala, you know? Kaya, we back from pump. Late na no? Pero goods pa. Sayang diba? Man, there's hella mosquitoes coming out now. There's some bugs, bro. Dami ng mga insekto, goy. Lumalabas gabi na Yo. I don't know. Tanga na, di ko alam na sabihin ko Goods na ako You hi? So yeah, sarado na yung mga pagkainan ngayon yung mga Chinese food, kaya uwi na lang kami at magluluto ng ramen. Tsaka mag-i-smoke ulit at manonood ng movie. So yeah. Ito yung lumang Civic ko. Sa mga nakakatanda, yun yung kotse natin, yung mga matagal na natin viewers. Tsaka ito yung isa. Yun, at aakit na kami. Ganda ng sunset, Yeah. Welcome to the hood, Welcome to the hood. Type C. Yeah. Ito na sa crib. Hey! You look like you're dancing, man. You're bouncing. Ayun, Goy, pinagluto ko ng above ng ramen. Ako na, may itlog pa, Yeah. May studio po. So anyway, hanggang dito na lang, Goy. Next time ulit. Good day, good night. Bukas smoke ka ulit. Yeah.